So if you're thinking about a new or pre-owned vehicle, but you're concerned about these tariffs and interest rates, how about some straight talk from the Sunset Auto family? First, all this talk about tariffs. Is it best to shop now, or is it better to wait? Really confusing, right? But look, prices seldom go down, tariffs or no tariffs. The real question is, how much will prices go up? The answer is, not one vehicle in Sunset's huge inventory has been affected by tariffs, not by one penny. No confusion here. This is the best time to shop. Also, there's a lot of speculation that interest rates could be increasing. Not a problem. Sunset has a number of lenders with finance options available for new and used vehicles. Some for less than 5% for 72 months and no payments for 90 days. And of course, you'll get warranty protection for life and oil changes for life included with every single qualifying vehicle, saving you thousands down the road. So it really doesn't make any sense to wait now, does it? Especially when you just get more at Sunset. And people do like that.